Today's project, we've got 3 things going on. Steering wheel is nice. It's got a TRD center cap in it. It does look a little old and worn out. You can kind of see there. We are going to install a Sparco steering wheel and an NRG quick release. So we got the hub adapter there, the quick release kit, and then the Sparco steering wheel. OE headlights on here. It does look like the previous owner painted them, took them off and painted the housings black. We're gonna put some HIDs in. See, these 4 screws on the top here were pretty much stripped. Why don't I just take the steering nut off and then I can take the whole steering wheel out? So that's what I did. It's the old hub. Anyways, this is all garbage now. It's gonna go in the trash. This is what it came with. It was pretty much a plastic cover that went on top of the steering wheel like that. Again, garbage. I love the feel on it, the grip. It's got the suede. And then we've got the quick release. So it comes right off. But overall, very happy with this. Came out exactly how I wanted it. I ended up going with some titanium bolts to hold the steering wheel in place.